So it was really exciting to have the students have hands-on learning through this project, and just having them see the process of the food growing and knowing where it was going, and having kind of that full circle closure of donating the food that they actually with their hands grew was really, really exciting.
We'll just kind of make a line, and you're going to walk through this way.
Growing hydroponically, I think, is better for future because it takes up less space and you can grow more in a short amount of time, and it's easier to harvest and have more food to supply for others.
I've really seen students evolve over this process. That curiosity piece has really sparked in them. Something that they just kind of thought, I'm gonna learn a bunch of facts, versus getting hands-on and really learning not just how this hydroponic system works, but the bigger systems that are at play in our government, in our local communities, and how that all affects not the world around them, but also them maybe indirectly.
Incorporating this Ponix Future Farmer System into my curriculum meant that my students had access to this for their own learning, as well as developing something for the community.
Food security is really a prevalent thing in Atlanta. When you go around the city, you can see how our community is affected, and so I wanted to find a cause for our students to get involved in.